Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I am Sabi from CodeRevolution. So let us get started with a new update for the Youtubomatic plugin. And as you might have noticed already, the Youtubomatic search shortcode was not functioning because of a feature that YouTube removed from its feature set. So they deprecated an embed type, the type of embed that searches for videos and automatically embeds the best matching video into your site. So for example, you were able to search by keyword, for example, cars, and the best matching video for your region would be displayed and embedded automatically to your site about the cars keyword. So this was not working anymore because of this announcement from YouTube. So since October 14th 2020, the listType search was deprecated, and this was the feature that my plugin was using to display the Youtubomatic search shortcode. And because this was deprecated, I needed to replace it with API calls. And in the latest update for the Youtubomatic plugin, it is working again. So let me show it in action. I will create a new post. So let's add now a new post, and I will add also the shortcode there, and I will show it in action, and it should be working again. So let's add a test post, and here let's search for this example, because I remember that I added an example here. So this will search for this keyword in this region. The region code should be 2-letter country codes. Okay, so I added the shortcode, only hit publish, and before checking the results, be sure that you add an API key in the plugin settings here in the top, because otherwise the shortcode will not work, because now the plugin uses also the API functionality. Now we can check and view post, and the plugin should embed a video now. So yeah, here is the keyword that I searched for and the embedded video. So this is the best matching video for this keyword, and this will be cached. So this video will be cached, and it will not make any further API calls more than once. So the plugin does the single API call to retrieve the video, and afterwards it will not make for a long period of time any further calls with this unchanged shortcode. So let me change here. So let's write CodeRevolution US and hit update, and let us check what the YouTube algorithm will return for CodeRevolution. So this is one of my videos, and this is what it returned. So yeah, this is all for today. I will link Youtubomatic in this video's description if you haven't heard of it until now. And thank you for watching until then. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.